I'm going to show you one of the best ways to find keywords on Amazon for your product. Whether it's for a product launch or an existing product, this is a great way to find relevant keywords. And this tool can be found within Amazon Sales Central itself, so it makes it even that much easier. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off, once you log into your account, hit the menu, head down to Growth, and then select Product Opportunity Explorer. This is essentially the tool right here. And at the top, you can see it says search by keyword or ASIN. You can use a keyword if you know your seed keyword, such as door lock, etc., etc. Type that in and go from there. I prefer to use the ASIN option. I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to head over to Amazon and type the most relevant keyword to your product. So for this example, I'm going to do fingerprint door lock. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to eyeball and pick one of the top sellers. So I'll scroll down and you can see here like 8,400 reviews, over 2K bought in the past month. That's good enough for me. So I'm going to select this, and then in the URL at the top here, I'm going to select the ASIN, which is B0 blah 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 blah. You can double click that and it'll highlight it, then copy it, head back over to Opportunity Explorer, and then type in that ASIN or paste it in, and then search it. Now what you're going to see is below under Target ASIN, this is the ASIN that we actually put in, and these are similar competitors. We're going to select the ASIN we actually put in, and then this is where the magic starts to happen. Now, once you open up the ASIN that you selected, I want you to scroll down to where the top search terms are. And then what we're going to do is, looking at the niches and the top search terms, I want you to find the one that's most relevant to your product and then select that. So for example, for this, I can see that fingerprint door lock is the most relevant. And a lot of these will share the same keywords anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but try to pick one the closest to your product. So select that, and then here we go. I now have a list of all the most popular search terms for this niche. So you can already see door lock, doorknob, keyless entry door lock. That's a good one. Door locks for front door. Now you get an idea here. Now this is Amazon's data itself, and it's telling you what search terms is the most relevant to this niche and this product. So this is a great list to start off. And what I would do is I would go through this and kind of clean it up a bit, depending on where you are with your business. For example, door lock and doorknob is very relevant to the product, but you know that's going to be a lot more competitive because there is a lot of different door locks out there that aren't fingerprint and are a lot cheaper and things like that. So I'm more to go with keywords that are longer tail or just more relevant to my product in general. So for example, the keyless entry door lock, smart lock, and then fingerprint door lock, smart locks for front door. And straight away, you have a really good list for your product that you can use in your SEO, whether it's your title and bullets or even Amazon PPC. So give this tool a go. The fact that it's free and it's Amazon's data makes it that much better. And I promise you, you'll start seeing really good results. I'm Dylan for AMZ Joy. Thank you for watching.